Hey guys, I just wanted to show you all what was inside my November Ipsy bag. I really love this the bag this month. This is like my third time getting this bag. So I just wanted to show you all what was in it. I obviously opened it already. So let me show you what's in it. Alright, so the first thing is this it's a fragrance by Sarah Jessica Parker, and it's like a rollerball. So okay, so the price of this bag is $10 a month. So this like by itself, I think these rollerball balls are like 18-20 for the rollerball. So it's definitely worth it just based off of this. And then I've never tried any of the Huda Beauty stuff. So this is like a really cute packaging. And it's a lip gloss. Let me take it out. So here it is. So pretty. I've never tried any of this stuff. I've never even like seen it like in person. So this is definitely worth. This is like I don't know, like a full size product, I'm sure. And the packaging was like really cute. It was like in this little thing like that. So cute. So that's definitely worth the $10 for this whole thing. Let's see. I got an eyeshadow. And I got a BB cream by Purlisse. I've never heard of this product. I never heard of this brand. I've heard of the product, of course, BB cream. So that's really cool to try out. I think in my first one, I got a Makeup Forever like BB cream. No, it wasn't a BB cream. It was more like a CC cream. So that's really exciting. I can't wait to try that out. And my last product is a highlighter. It's like really small, fits in my hand. So this is really pretty too. So I can't wait to try that out. So that's all I got, and in a bag, and here's what the inside looks like. I love their bags. I know some people like can care less about the bag. I love the bag. You can always like find use for them. So I think it was definitely worth. I'm gonna keep getting this this bag. It was only $10, and this month definitely was worth the price of the $10. So if you want to see more unboxings, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.